Hello, my desktop publishing students. I'm still using this question S7-31. There's one other thing that I want to say to you is that when we had this chart here, okay, this chart, and it had the data here, we could have copied it. If I went Control C and I clicked in the blank part of the spreadsheet and I go Control V, there's my chart, all done the way we like it, right? Except that I need to change the data. So I want to right click on here, select data, and my new data, I'm going to click here on my little red collapse arrow, and now I'm going to move this, hold on, wait, I'm going to go out of there for a second, cancel that. I'm going to bring this down because I got to be able to get our numbers. So hold on here. Okay, so now one more time I'm going to go on here, right click, go to select data, and this time I want these numbers and dates as the data. Alright, so say OK, and so now I've got the second chart here, and this is going to be May 16 through May 30th. Now, I am going to put a different background just so it wouldn't mix you up. So I'm going to go here and I'll put maybe a blue background. Okay, so this is the first one we did with the first set of data. So when I click on here, there's the first set of data. When I click on this one, here we have the second set of data. So very easily, it was just easy to copy. And had I wanted to say move the chart, I could have moved it to a new chart, and now new sheet, and this one here I want to put in here line, because this is another way you can do it, line chart 2, okay, line chart 2, say OK. So now do you see the sheet's already named for me because I named it there, and I'm going to drag it to the right of the line chart. Alright, so I have the line chart here, that's May 16 through the 30th, and I have the line chart here, which is May 16 through the 30th. So I didn't have to do any formatting, I had it all done. All I had to do is copy it and then change the data. So another point for you to remember, as I say, you can copy a chart, then paste it, and then select the new data. So there's just a short little part that I forgot to do in the last video, and I wanted to show you that. So that's all I have to say there. So we'll save your work, and now I will end the video.